There are a number of movies that you are able to explore, many of which are based around being musicals, but you're able to have like a storyline in there that's a bit more intricate than what you would find in just a standard musical that you would find on Broadway or in a theater district. Movies can sometimes give you better detail by giving you close up shots, and you'll find that there are many old school musicals that you just don't find being performed. You'll also find that there's a wide array of performers that have done solely movie based performances, and it gives you an opportunity to watch in the comfort of your own home. So it's easier than going out and finding one. But again, it gives you a different vibe when you're not in that theater setting. And it's just a different way to experience the wonderful performing arts world. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about companies. I will see you then.